Alright, so I haven't picked up this camera in so long. I've recorded bits and spurts of things, but like even then that's no fun. I just haven't been able to commit to being at the shop as much as I'd want to. However, I've been making a lot of moves since the camera's been off. We kind of need to address. So for starters, your boy got a job. I ended up landing another job in the midst of trying to pursue YouTube. Had some personal stuff occur during that time. Had to handle with family business and all the other stuff. And so obviously being an adult, 2 kids, life does, you know, take its course. But that's not the point. Stuff's been piling up at the shop. I've been slacking on getting it done, and luckily I finally found a free day that I could actually take care of business.
A few moments later.
So now that we're back at the shop, I can address a few things. 350Z, I took it out for Labor Day weekend and it drove great. It was a little iffy to get started, but we got it to work. And then if you see my Instagram story, you saw that old girl was put out of service. I let my uncle drive her, and now I need a new alternator. So since your boy's working, we got a new one, and I figured I might as well add some of the extra goodies that I've had waiting to be thrown on this car, like maintenance. All right, there's a few things I gotta address. So as I mentioned earlier, I've been putting in a lot of work off camera. This car's radio works. I've been playing roulette with a bunch of 240 parts because I now have 2. I need to figure out as far as what's gonna go where, so on and so forth, but the place is a mess, or I simply can't function like this. But let's start with fixing cars, because that is the one thing that I could faithfully do. All right, so another thing I forgot to mention is your boy's been putting in work. Right here is the VQ or our lovely VQ S13. Now, I can't take all the credit. Somebody else actually put together this engine. I'm just gonna go fine tune everything real quick. Give it a brush over because you never really know. I have 2 options here. I can either throw it in here or do a straight swap into restoring the old Silver Z. So I'm kind of up in the air about what I'm gonna do with it. But for now, we got it secured. Transmission, I have to get a new clutch and do the rear main seal, and like I said, go over the engine. And I have a few goodies to just slap this technically into there without having to go through the swap kit and everything for this. But we've got goodies stacked up that can go on the cars when they're all put together, so in due time. Also, lift is fully functional. Some customer work getting done on that. Jet's been putting in some work heavy on the E36 and its subframe, so we got to give him some credit. Make sure you guys follow him on Insta. I'll put it right here.
Meanwhile,
so here's my current dilemma. My car will start up, everything. I'm getting all my lights. As you can see, voltage going down, and for some reason my fans have kicked on. It could be because I tried to disconnect the radio when I was losing all this power driving the car back to the shop after the whole debacle. But the battery's been charged, so the car can kind of hold its own weight for now, but you can clearly tell that the alternator's dying simply because voltage continues to keep falling. Lights on, you know we're about to put in some work. We're gonna go under here. First thing we want to do, I want to tackle getting this alternator off, and that starts with this pulley right here. But as you can see, I'm getting a leak from this filter right here, so that's why we have to replace this. Plus I want to redo that system anyways, but for now let's tackle this. I'm pretty sure this is a 12, and then you loosen this. That's how you loosen the tension. We can get the belt off, but also don't forget, disconnect your battery. I already did. 14 to loosen the tensioner right here a little bit. Just got this to pulley to loosen up. Able to get our belt off. So we're just gonna toss that there. But now, not only is the tensioner free, so is the alternator to try to unbolt. So I didn't really explain this part. I'm removing this idler pulley. I have Z1's kit, so we're gonna throw that in here as well. See how it does. So that's also part of this alternator job that I'm trying to get done. Dude, I will say, working on this car when it's not put together is so nice compared to when it is. But luckily, it's not that bad. I'm just complaining for no reason. Okay, so like I mentioned with this car, because we are swapping this pulley eliminator kit in, we have to swap to the 06 belt, which revs the car a little higher, helps with RPMs and all the other stuff. So why not just dabble? It's as simple as we're going to remove these 3 bolts.
A few moments later.
Trying to get back into it.
Oh, you can see the other side. Type shit.
Fucking big dab. That's about to sound really crazy. John Cena made millions off of the slang word life, but it came from fucking, who did it come from? Tony Ayo. Word life. Called Doctor of Thugonomics.
Doctor of Thugonomics. Y'all love that shit.
But the term word life, he got it all.
Word life.
He got it all. He got it all from fucking Tony Ayo and yeah, everybody else. All right, so now that we got the pulley out, here's the part number. Same thing with the Nissan belt. But if you order it from Z1, it comes straight like that. Make sure that your numbers line up. And then you're good to go. We're gonna take this, line it up right back here, and then throw the new belt on. We got it in. We got the new alternator and new belt is on. Spacers in, fans all plugged up. Ooh, now I'm gonna so right now I'm gonna reconnect the battery, see how it goes, and then let it charge, go from there. All right, so because this car is all set, pretty sure my camera died while I was trying to show you guys. It runs, it drives. I gotta head out or else I'll show you again. But in the next clip, I'll snag another video of it for you guys to see. Nice little video to come back. It's been a while, but I definitely have more to come. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. I got you, trust me. Just be a little patient. Later.